can make new beliefs, new brain cell connections, and break old ones at any point, at any age, at any time. Really, it's the essence of what personal development is about. Questioning yourself to know what your beliefs are, breaking down the brain cell connections of those beliefs you believe are holding you back, and strengthening the brain cell connections of the beliefs that are empowering you to do the things that you wish to do. There are lots of different names given to it, lots of different techniques, but in essence, that's what it's about. The more we form the connections, the more we're able to use the whole of our brain, helping us to come up with ideas and also follow through with them, put them into action. Therefore, if you think you can, you probably will. Because by forming the brain cell connections, you find answers to problems, and through the release of the serotonin, you feel the motivation to take your idea, take a brave step forward, do something with it.